What if the global obsession with French fries was born out of a frozen river, or the most addictive snack in human history was invented purely as a chef's sarcastic insult? Welcome to Bite Audit. And if you want to support deep dive culinary investigations, please take a brief second to hit that subscribe button right now, turn on notifications, and smash the like button so you never miss an episode. Let us start with the biggest lie on the modern table: French fries. French fries are not French at all. They were actually invented in Belgium during the late 1600s, when poor villagers living along the Meuse River, who traditionally survived on small fried fish, faced a brutal winter. When the river froze solid and fishing became impossible, the resourceful villagers cut potatoes into tiny fish shapes and fried those instead. American soldiers stationed in Belgium during World War I encountered this delicious snack and mistakenly assumed it was French because the Belgian army spoke French. While fries rules fast food, mashed potatoes were considered ultimate peasant food for most of human history. The potato itself was first introduced to Europe from South America in the 1500s, but Europeans spent 2 full centuries refusing to eat it, genuinely believing it caused leprosy, raging fevers, and moral decline. France only accepted the crop after a clever chemist named Antoine-Augustin Parmentier staged a brilliant publicity stunt in 1787. He planted a massive potato field, guarding it heavily with royal soldiers during the day, but leaving it entirely unguarded at night. Centuries later, American steakhouses in the 1950s and 1960s transformed this basic food into the loaded baked potato, invented as a strategic side dish, piling on sour cream, smoky bacon, sharp cheddar, and chives allowed restaurants to justify a much higher menu price. Wendy's introduced this concept to the fast food world in 1983, turning it into an instant icon. A plain baked potato costs pennies to produce, but a loaded one costs dollars to sell, proving the toppings are worth far more than the potato itself. Around the same time, hash browns were born in the northeastern United States in the late 1800s as a creative way to use leftover boiled potatoes, taking their name from the French word hacher, meaning to chop. McDonald's globalized the dish by introducing its iconic fried hash brown patty in 1977. Frying leftover potato pieces is a universal human instinct. Britain has bubble and squeak, Switzerland has rusty, and South Korea has gamjajon. In the 1980s, Chick-fil-A took a completely different angle by inventing waffle fries to differentiate their menu from every other fast food chain. By using a specialized mandolin cutter and rotating the potato 90 degrees between each slice, they created a unique grid pattern. This increased surface area means more crispy edges per fry than any other cut. The technique became so deeply tied to their brand identity that when competitors tried releasing their own waffle fries, customers consistently called them Chick-fil-A fries, regardless of where they bought them. For a heartier alternative, casual dining chains in the 1980s popularized potato wedges, which are baked or fried potato quarters with the skin left on. KFC's seasoned potato wedges, introduced in the 1990s, became one of their most ordered sides globally. When KFC abruptly removed them from the United States menu in 2020 to replace them with secret recipe fries, the customer backlash was so immediate and sustained that it created a minor public relations crisis, forcing the chain to bring wedges back in select markets. Finally, we look at the ultimate act of kitchen frustration: the potato chip. Invented in 1853 in Saratoga Springs, New York, by a chef named George Crumb, the dish was born out of spite. A wealthy customer repeatedly sent his fried potatoes back to the kitchen, complaining they were far too thick and soggy. Frustrated and annoyed, Crumb sliced the potatoes paper thin, fried them until they were completely brittle, and salted them heavily as a sarcastic response. To his surprise, the customer absolutely loved them. The dish spread like wildfire, and today Americans eat over 1.5 billion pounds of potato chips per year, proving a chef's petty revenge can create a global industry worth over $30 billion. The humble potato has been chopped, smashed, fried, and reinvented to shape our entire modern food memory. Thank you for investigating these culinary histories with us today. If this breakdown changed the way you look at your favorite side dishes, please make sure to subscribe to Bite Audit right now, drop a like on this video, and share it with your fellow food lovers. Let us know down in the comments which style of potato reigns supreme on your plate. Stay hungry, and we will see you in the next audit.